Today we are going to talk about a very interesting AI tool called Tanka AI, a platform that many people are calling a digital co-founder because it promises to remember everything, help manage your work and assist you with tasks just like a partner would. If you ever felt overwhelmed with ideas, notes, tasks, and the constant flood of information that comes with running a business, then a tool that remembers and organizes everything might be something you want to explore. In this video, I will explain what Tanka AI is, how it works, and what makes it different, and whether it is worth to using for your business or creative life. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow online using smart tools and easy methods. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link from description to explore the Tanka AI with any available offers or free access. By using the description link, any available benefit or special access that will be applied automatically. So you get the best experience without any confusion. Now let's come to the main part of the video. First, let's understand what Tanka AI is. Tanka AI is an artificial intelligence tool designed to act like a knowledge memory and productivity partner for your projects. Unlike a simple note-taking app or a to-do list tool, Tanka AI is built to remember the things you tell it and organize them in a way that makes sense and pull the insights for you when you need them. Some people describe it as having a digital co-founder because it can function like someone who not only store information but also helps you to take action on information. One of the biggest features of Tanka AI is its memory system. Many AI tools respond only to the prompt you type at the moment, and then they forget it once the session ends. Tanka AI, on the other hand, is designed to remember things over time. For example, you can tell it about your business goals, upcoming projects, and the customer feedback or long-term plans, and it will store that information so that it can refer back to it later. This means you don't have to repeat yourself every time you start a new conversation. Tanka AI understands the context of prior information and can build on that over time. Another important aspect is Tanka AI's ability to connect ideas. When you store multiple pieces of information, Tanka AI can help you to see links between them. For example, if you told it about a new product idea and also mentioned the customer questions about pricing, Tanka AI might help you to develop the pricing strategies or even generate the messaging that address those questions. This type of thinking is what makes it feel more like a partner in your business rather than a simple tool. Tanka AI can also help you with organizing tasks and projects. You can store the task list, project details, deadlines, and even subtle preferences about how you like your work to be structured. Because the AI remembers everything you tell it, you can ask it to remind you about goals, suggest next step, or even draft the content based on the past input. This makes it useful not just for the storage but for the actionable productivity. Another strength of Tanka AI is its creative collaboration. If you are working on ideas like scripting or marketing content, product descriptions, or business plans, Tanka AI can help you to generate the drafts and refine them based on your style and earlier work. The memory system lets you to stay consistent with your brand voice or professional preferences, which many other AI tools cannot do unless you repeat the same context over and over. It is also worth talking about the search and recall. With traditional note-taking apps or document folders, you often have to scroll or search manually to find what you are looking for. With Tanka AI, you can simply ask it a question using the natural language and it retrieves the information or summarizes it for you. This makes the process much faster and less frustrating compared to digging through files. Now let's talk about the limitation. Nothing is perfect and Tanka AI is no exception. Some users mention that because it remembers everything, you need to be organized from the start about how you want to structure memories. If you store very unrelated pieces of information without clear tags or context, it may become harder to retrieve what you want quickly. However, this is something that improves as you learn how the system stores information and how to work with it effectively. So that's it for today's video, and that was the review of Tanka AI and how it acts like a digital co-founder that remembers everything. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who wants a smarter way to manage ideas and tasks. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.